Okay, fine. Today we will discuss about the chapter number 11, that is transport in plants. Do you have any idea about the transport in plants? How the transport will be taking place in the plants? What kind of methods are there? Any idea? Okay. So, in a flowering plant, right, we have the substances. So that the substances would need to be transported, right? So they need to get transported to each and every part of the plant body, right? So what are those substances? The substances are like water, right, mineral nutrients, and the other essential nutrients like the organic nutrients. Fine. Also, there must be a presence of an regulator. So what kind of regulator does it have? That is an plant growth hormone. Clear? So each and every plant of an flowering plant in the sense angiosperms. Clear? So each angiospermic plant should need the substance. What kind of substance it should need? It should need the water, mineral nutrients, organic nutrients, and the regulators like plant growth hormones, right? So why these are required? Any idea? Itself here it is mentioned that is for the plant growth and the development. As our human body needs the essential nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, lipids, fatty acids, and etc., right? All the kinds of the saccharides, right? Even the water is also very essential to the human body. The same thing could be needed for the plants, right? So that is considered as in transporting plants, right? These substances will be transporting from each part of the plant, each part. This is the shoot system and this is the root system, right? So from the root it is being transported towards the shoot system, and again it is being transferred to the branches, to the leaves, right? And here in the leaves the photosynthesis process will be taking place, right? So the photosynthesis will take place in the leaves, and then the essential nutrients which it has been got from the process of photosynthesis, it is being transferred to the shoot system. Again, that is, it is being moved from the upward direction to the downward direction. So there will be an entire cycle of it, right? So it is being supplied to the whole plant body. Is that clear? ट्रांसपिरेशन में क्या होगा, ये एक दैट इज़ इन अ ट्रांसपोर्टिंग प्लांट्स. ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ प्लांट में किस चीज़ का ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहा है, फर्स्ट वो हमको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, राइट? सो दिस प्रोसेस विल बी टेकिंग प्लेस किसमें? सिर्फ एंजियोस्पर्मिक प्लांट्स क्या है, जो कि फ्लावर बियर करता है. तो किस चीज़ का ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पे प्लांट में? दैट इज़ ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस, राइट? ये सब्सटेंसेस का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होगा. क्लियर? तो वो सब्सटेंसेस कौन से? दैट इज़ वाटर, मिनरल न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ऑर्गेनिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड द रेगुलेटर लाइक प्लांट ग्रोथ हार्मोन. क्लियर? ये क्यों है? प्लांट ग्रोथ हार्मोन क्यों चाहिए? बिकॉज फॉर द डेवलपमेंट एंड द ग्रोथ. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड ये सारा प्रोसेस शूट सिस्टम में भी होता है एंड द रूट सिस्टम में भी होता है. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड ये वाला जो यहाँ पे रूट्स विल बी ऑब्जर्विंग ईच एंड एवरी essential nutrients from the soil, and the soil will be helping for to observe the roots the essential nutrients, and these essential nutrients are being transferred to the shoot system, right? And from the shoot system it will be transferring towards the leaf, and where the photosynthesis will be taking place. यहाँ से photosynthesis place होगा, and last में हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? that is a glucose form, राइट, ग्लूकोज और सुक्रोज. एंड ये वाला कहाँ यूटिलाइज होगा? पूरा प्लांट बॉडी के अंदर यूटिलाइज होगा. एंड दिस विल बी इन अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ अपवर्ड, डाउनवर्ड, अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड, राइट. एक साइकिल होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके.